This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. The elegant Elmhurst floor plan is a craftsman-style home and has an expected completion build date between the months of September and October of 2020. The open design gives lots of space for entertaining. Property includes luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire first floor, laundry room, and bathrooms. Granite countertops in kitchen with 42 shaker cabinets, furniture kitchen island, and stainless steel appliances. Cultured marble countertops in bathrooms with chrome plumbing fixtures. 5.1 surround sound is pre-wired in the great room and security is pre-wired through home with security pad. Seller will pay up to $7,500 towards buyer's closing costs and prepaids when using preferred lender and attorney.